What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be installing this Corsa Catback on the ZL1 today. I got this thing for a smoking deal. This is a used unit, but I got it literally half off. It's normally like $2,000, I think, and I paid $1,000 shipped for it, so pretty happy with that. It is a 3-inch system all the way back, except for this little spot right here reduces down. That's just how the factory connection is. But yeah, so this is the Corsa Sport for the 5th gen ZL1s. They don't make an Extreme, but on Corsa's website it says that the Sport level for the ZL1 is the same sound level as an Extreme, so I don't fucking know. But yeah, seems like a pretty straightforward install. I checked everything looks good. Gave the tips a quick wipe down, since that's really the only part you're going to see on the car. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to uninstalling the stock catback. Alright, so first thing we got to take off are those two bolts up there. They are both 15 millimeters. And then you have to take off this little cross member here. These are also 15 millimeters, so you just got to take off all 4 of these. Might want to loosen. Alright, next step, you gotta take these two hangers out. So I'm gonna spray them down with some WD-40. Oh shit. Oh gosh. I'm getting it everywhere. I'm gonna take out that top one because that seems a little easier. Maybe not. Oh no, we're good. Look at that, dude, too easy. Get the other one.
Yeah, bro, it's like you got the tool.
Yeah, it's crazy. Put this on the back side. Flip it around. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Straight to the fucking face.
My bad.
Oh, you're good. All right, there we go. Can you get my jack real quick? Yeah, this is dope, dude. Best tool you'll ever buy. I'm gonna put the jack in the middle, like through this way, so that when we drop this, we can just wheel it out. Because this is literally all one piece. I don't know why manufacturers do that. Alright, so before we take the last hangers out and the mufflers, this is your vacuum light right here for your valves. I'm gonna try and I have no idea how the fuck this comes off. Or if I can even film this part. Oh shit, hold on. Oh, there we go. That was easy. Yep, so I'm just gonna rip that off. I'll zip tie this up somewhere. I read online that you don't really have to do anything with these. You can just leave them uncapped and it'll be fine. So I'm just gonna do that on the other side. Okay, so those are both off on both sides. So the last thing you gotta do is just take off that hanger right there and the other hanger on the other side, and then this whole thing should just drop down. Alright, stock exhaust is out. Wasn't too bad. The getting the hangers on the side near like the valves was a little tricky because there wasn't much space to it, but if you go at an awkward angle you can pretty much get it. But yeah, now we gotta just put the Corsa on. Alright, so putting in the X pipe should be pretty straightforward. You want to lift the back side up? Yeah. push it in. That should be about good. Yeah. So there's a bar right somewhere on the X pipe. That should be up towards the body, so you shouldn't see it from underneath.
It's right here.
Is it? Oh yeah, okay, right there. So now, just gotta put the other shit on. Let me get this on the hanger first. All right.
All right, push it.
Got it. Probably like that. Hold on, let me get this on the hanger. All right. Good.
Keep going like a little bit more.
Is it on there?
It's on there already.
Okay, yeah, just leave it like that.
Right here where the other one is.
Yeah, I just want to see, because these hangers are pretty bottomed out. Okay, so real quick how these pipes go. You have the hangers up top here, and then it should swoop down to the bottom of both sides, and then you just gotta push it in. And last part is the mufflers. It's pretty self-explanatory. You're just gonna slip it on, slide it in the hangers, and then that's it. So I don't think I'm gonna film that part because it's pretty self-explanatory and it's hard to film. All right, so everything is all together now. Got everything buttoned back up. Those tightened down. Got the bar tightened down. Everything's tightened down. I'm gonna readjust the tips real quick, but pretty straightforward install. It's literally like 5 bolts. So yeah, not too bad. Now, after I fix the tips, we're gonna give it its first cold start. All right, tips are as good as I can get them. Let's do our first cold start. Oh yeah. That is so much better. That idle's awesome. Yep, that sounds great. Let's go get some interior and exterior clips of this. Oh, come on, I want to rip it. Here, we're going to slow down just a little bit so I can get some room. All right, first rip, let's go. Holy shit. This thing is gonna sound crazy when I get some headers, but right now, that supercharger one with the exhaust, man. Alright, we're gonna do another good pull right here. Oh my gosh. This sounds so good. All right, let's get one last good pull and then I'll go do an outside clip. All right, let's go get some outside clips. Alright everybody, that'll just about do it for this video. Yeah, I'm really happy with the exhaust. It sounds awesome. I think it's going to sound even crazier when we get some long tube headers on this, which is next, but that may be for probably about a month. I'll probably wait to do that. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I think I got the tips looking pretty good on this thing. I'm really pleased with that fitment. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll go ahead and catch you in the next one.